So look guys, welcome to today's video. Now we'll be doing the Sprite 6 cans of it, and this the no bob challenge. And I find it difficult to hold my bob, so this will be quite intense for me. Let me see how long I can hold my bob. Can I hold it throughout the 6 cans of Sprite? So let's see. So look guys, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to it. It's highly needed and appreciated. But if you're subscribed to it, I love you. Keep watching. So back to our video. So what is 33 here bacon. Wow. This will be tough. I'm not sure I can do 3 of these without popping, but let's go for 6. Wow. And 3, 2, 1 and go. One is done. Wow, I'm feeling it. 2 is done. Wow, I'm feeling it. It's so difficult for me to hold my bob. Okay, let's go. We can do this. I can't. Ooh. Ah. I felt okay. Okay, I only did 2 that bopping. So wow. Okay, let's try this train now. Let's see if we can do this train now with that bopping. Or just like I can go for the 6. 2 was my best, so let's try. Okay, new strategy. Okay. Okay. One. No. Why is this so hard? Okay. I can only go for 2 without bopping. Wow, this is bad. This is bad. Oh. So okay guys, that's it. A big fail. Wow. I couldn't go for 2 without bopping. I have 1 minute, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're subscribed to it. But if you're not already, I love you and keep watching. I'll work on this, my bob fitting. I'll learn how to hold it next time.